the 2019 Subaru Legacy. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, lane departure warning, and much more. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Subaru's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 152-point inspection. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.